like, that's awesome.
But she had her passy with her.
That good, Winnie?
I think she's chill. Yeah. She'll figure it out. When she was starting to she shoves so much food in her mouth on a regular basis.
Ew. That's nasty.
You don't really like this. Yeah. You're just looking in there. There's not much else in there. Crumbs. Do you want that? You want to put that in there for safekeeping? And then we'll get it out?
Wow.
Wow. Greasy bun. Is that your mommy? You're funny, kid. They're laughing at you. Because you're being funny. You keep going back to those onion crisps, but I don't think you like them.
Nah. Nah. What time did she go to bed last night?
No clue.
She went to bed when we started
You wanna get down?
out with that.